Right now, as you watch this video, 1.5 billion pounds of shrimp are being processed around the world. That's enough to fill 680 Olympic swimming pools with shrimp. And it happens every single year just to meet American demand. You consume an average of 4.4 pounds of shrimp per year, more than any other seafood. But here's the question that 94% of Americans have never asked. Where exactly does that shrimp come from that you throw on the grill or toss in your stir fry? The answer is a journey of 300 million years of evolution combined with technology that looks straight out of a science fiction movie. Over the next 10 minutes, you're going to discover secrets about shrimp processing that will completely change how you see these tiny creatures on your plate. Get ready! Because what happens between the ocean and your table is far more impressive than you can imagine. Let's start with a mind-blowing fact. Shrimp have existed for over 300 million years. That means they survived 5 mass extinctions, including the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. And you know how they pulled it off? Radical adaptation. There are over 2,000 species of shrimp scattered across every ocean and even in freshwater rivers. But here's the detail nobody tells you. About 80% of all shrimp consumed globally comes from a single species, Lithopenaeus vanamae, also known as white-leg shrimp or Pacific white shrimp. Why? Because this species can survive at farming densities that would kill any other. It's literally the endurance champion of the crustacean world. But wait, it gets even more surprising. Did you know that shrimp have 3 eyes? 2 compound eyes and 1 simple eye that works like a primitive light sensor. And they don't swim forward, they swim backward, flexing their abdomen muscles at impressive speeds to escape predators. And the most fascinating thing of all, some species of pistol shrimp can create a sound louder than any other marine creature. A snap so powerful it can reach 218 decibels and is capable of stunning small fish. This sound comes from the ultra-fast closing of their claw, which creates a cavitation bubble that collapses with explosive force. Here's something very few people know. A single female shrimp can lay up to 1 million eggs in a single reproductive session. And these eggs hatch in just 14 days. That's right, 2 weeks from egg to free-swimming larva. But here's the plot twist that changes everything. Some shrimp are sequential hermaphrodites. They're born as males and then transform into females as they age. Nature literally programmed a sex change into their DNA to maximize reproduction chances. Now let's go to where it all begins. The depths of the Gulf of Mexico. 3 in the morning, dark waters stretching to the horizon. Shrimp boats equipped with state-of-the-art sonar that can detect shrimp concentrations at 100 feet depth. These aren't your traditional fishing nets. We're talking about industrial trawl nets that can capture up to 2 tons of shrimp in a single pass. When the net is cast, something fascinating happens. The sonar shows schools of shrimp literally dispersing. They detect the net's vibrations through their ultra-sensitive sensory systems. In a single day, a modern boat can process 15 tons of shrimp. To put that in perspective, that's equivalent to 30,000 pounds or approximately 600,000 individual shrimp being caught in less than 24 hours. But here's the part nobody sees. The clock is ticking. From the moment that shrimp leaves the water, the industry has a tiny window to preserve quality. Shrimp heads and tails start darkening within hours, if not immediately chilled. The meat becomes soft, unusable. That's why, still on the boat, shrimp are immediately plunged into ice and kept at 36 degrees Fahrenheit. This race against time never stops. From the ocean, shrimp have less than 2 hours to reach the processing facility. Refrigerated trucks racing down roads, temperature monitored every second. A variation of 2 degrees can compromise an entire shipment.
All vessels
when
accounted
they
for.
arrive at the factory, something that seems almost impossible happens. Each batch
All
goes
vessels
through
accounted for.
antibiotic testing that takes only 2 hours. And look at these impressive numbers. In 2024, the FDA rejected 81 shipments of shrimp for contamination with banned antibiotics, the highest number since 2016. We're talking about substances like nitrofurans and chloramphenicol that can cause everything from antibiotic resistance to serious blood disorders. Here's where the technology gets insane. Modern processing systems reduce labor by 66%. Factories that used to need 18 operators now function with just 6. And some fully automated lines? They need only 1 operator to supervise the entire process. But don't think it's just about speed. Each shrimp goes through 47 critical control points according to HACCP standards. Temperature monitored every 30 seconds. Contaminants detected by X-ray. Meat quality measured by penetrometers applying exactly 350 to 400 grams of force to test firmness. And here's the truly surprising part. Modern deheading machines measure each shrimp individually before cutting. Why? Because the difference between wasting valuable meat and maximizing yield is 0.3 seconds of cutting precision. The peeling technology, revolutionary. Lytra Machinery spent 10 years developing a system that peels shrimp with the same quality as hand peeling. Rubber and steel rollers that apply gentle pressure sufficient to remove the shell without damaging the meat. The result, yield of 93-95%, practically zero waste. Now comes the part that seems like science fiction. AI computer vision systems called Smart Sorter scanning each shrimp with multiple cameras simultaneously. This system can detect microscopic shell residues that the human eye would never see. And here's the number that impresses. These systems process 5,000 shrimp per minute with a precision rate of 99.9%. But wait, there's more. For shrimp that will be sold as breaded, there's a separate line where robots apply uniform coating. And then another AI system checks if every square millimeter is perfectly covered. Color testing, spectrophotometers measuring LOB values, luminosity, red, green, blue, yellow, to ensure each shrimp has the ideal color that consumers expect to see on the shelf. And you won't believe this. There are texture tests where penetrometers literally poke shrimp samples to measure meat firmness. If it doesn't reach 350-400 grams of resistance, rejected. Here's where everything speeds up even more. The IQF tunnel, individual quick freezing. Shrimp that were at 39 degrees Fahrenheit are plunged into a 40 degrees Fahrenheit environment and completely frozen in 7 minutes. Why so fast? Because slow freezing creates large ice crystals that destroy meat cells. Ultra-fast freezing, microscopic crystals that preserve texture perfectly. Before freezing, there's a fascinating trick, glazing. A very thin layer of ice at 5% of the weight is applied over each shrimp. This works as a protective shield against freezer burn during months of storage. And each box has a QR code you can scan and trace that shrimp back to the exact boat that caught it, the time of capture, and all 47 control points it went through. Let's be direct about the question everyone asks but is afraid to hear the answer. Is there poison in imported shrimp? The honest answer, it depends on where it comes from. Here are the FDA numbers. In 2022, 47% of all imported seafood showed contamination with banned chemotherapeutants and pathogenic bacteria. In 2024, among shrimp rejected for antibiotics, 31 came from India and 18 from Vietnam. The most found antibiotics, nitrofurans, specifically AOZ, chloramphenicol, and fluoroquinolones, substances the FDA banned in animals since 1984 because they can cause everything from aplastic anemia to cancer with prolonged exposure. But here's the other side. 94% of shrimp consumed in the US is imported, and only a tiny fraction is tested by the FDA. The industry estimates less than 2% of shipments go through physical inspection. So how do you protect yourself? Look for certifications. MSC certified shrimp goes through rigorous sustainability and safety standards. BAP, Best Aquaculture Practices, is another important seal, although some processors with BAP certification have still been caught with antibiotics. Wild shrimp from the Gulf of Mexico, generally safer because American regulations are much stricter. Shrimp produced in domestic RAS systems, recirculating aquaculture systems, practically zero risk because the environment is completely controlled. Now the big environmental question, is shrimp fishing sustainable or is it destroying the oceans? The complex answer, it depends radically on the method. No-way data shows the US produces 150,000 tons of wild shrimp per year using regulated methods. The Gulf of Mexico alone produces 244 million pounds annually with active monitoring. Here's the problem. Globally, only 70.8% of wild shrimp production is MSC certified. That means the vast majority has no verifiable sustainability certification. About bycatch. Traditional trawl nets had terrible rates. For every 1 pound of shrimp, they caught up to 10 pounds of other species. But TEDs, turtle excluded devices, and BRDs, bycatch reduction devices, have dramatically reduced this. Certified fisheries in the Gulf of Mexico now have bycatch of less than 2 to 1. Aquaculture, it's complicated. In Intensive shrimp farms destroyed millions of acres of mangroves in Asia. But new RAS systems, recirculation systems, are changing the game. Zero impact on natural habitats, zero effluent discharge. The trend: aquaculture represented zero of global production in 1980. In 2023, almost 8 million tons, far surpassing wild fishing. And on the nutritional side, is shrimp really healthy? Absolutely. An average shrimp has only 7 calories. A 3-ounce serving contains 20 grams of protein, almost half an adult's daily requirement, with only 84 total calories. But here's the hidden gold. Shrimp is extremely rich in selenium, an antioxidant mineral that activates enzymes that fight cancer-causing free radicals. One serving provides 48% of the daily requirement. Omega-3. Shrimp contains EPA and DHA, the same omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, essential for brain function and cardiovascular health. Vitamin B12. One serving has 59% of daily requirement. Iodine, 35%. Phosphorus for strong bones, 12%. The cholesterol. Yes, shrimp has cholesterol, about 189 milligrams per serving. But here's what modern science discovered. Dietary cholesterol has minimal impact on blood cholesterol for most people. What really affects your cholesterol? Saturated and trans fats. And shrimp has less than 1 gram of saturated fat per serving. Best preparation method to maintain benefits: steamed, grilled, or sautéed with olive oil. Avoid deep frying, which adds empty calories. From a depth of 100 feet in the Gulf of Mexico to your supermarket shelf. A journey of 300 million years of evolution, meeting 21st century cutting-edge technology. You've just witnessed something extraordinary. The meeting between creatures that survived dinosaur extinction and machines capable of processing 5,000 of them per minute with 99.9% precision. The next time you open a package of shrimp at the market, you'll remember that shrimp went through 47 critical control points. It was individually measured by robots, scanned by AI, tested for antibiotics, frozen at 40 degrees Fahrenheit in 7 minutes, digitally tracked from boat to your home. And you'll know something that 94% of Americans don't know: the difference between safe and contaminated shrimp, between sustainable and destructive, between fascinating technology and exhausting manual labor. You learned that pistol shrimp can create sounds louder than any marine creature, that shrimp swim backward, that they can lay 1 million eggs, that some change sex, and that a $50 billion industry exists to transform these tiny marine creatures into America's #1 most consumed seafood. If this journey fascinated you as much as it fascinated us creating this educational content, leave your like and comment. What seafood do you want to see next? And you won't believe the giant tuna process, but that's for the next video. It's important to clarify that the process presented in this video is 100% fictional, and all images are merely illustrative, generated by artificial intelligence for educational purposes. The facilities shown do not represent specific real factories, but rather a recreation based on real industrial processes documented and verified by reliable sources from the fishing industry and regulatory agencies. The information presented was based on verifiable data from number 1, NOAA Fisheries, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, www.fisheries.noaa.gov. Number 2, US FDA Food and Drug Administration, www.fda.gov. Import alerts 16/1/24, 16/1/29, 16/1/31. Number 3, Southern Shrimp Alliance, www.shrimpalliance.com. Number 4, Lytram Machinery, Shrimp Processing Technology Documentation, www.lytrammachinery.com. Number 5, Marine Stewardship Council, MSC, Sustainability Data, www.msc.org. Number 6, Seafood Source, Industry Reports and Analysis, www.seafoodsource.com.